don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by Upravuyo.
Mfethu ngizoqala ngokuthi ngiyabonga ukuba la in your place.
Thank you, my brother.
It's my first time ngizalana.
Welcome.
But nje into ebengizoyicela kuwe nje ukuthi mngani wami try and have a procedure of working time and all that. Okay, asiphume lapho.
Yes.
Asiphume lapho.
Next time.
Mina mfethu ngizokhuluma ngegame.
Sure.
And talk about what we're here for.
Yeah.
I can hear amajita abafaka abo Chiefs top 8 and all that. I don't want to talk about that.
Sure.
You understand? Ngizokhuluma ngegame. Uyabona makudlalwa ama tournament aso.
Sure.
Mina I believe ukuthi sebenza ekhaya kuqala.
Yeah. Injalo.
You understand?
Injalo.
Work at home first.
Yeah.
I've seen these guys, I mean. Abu Zamalek, Egypt, Orlando Stadium.
Yeah.
Labantu lab, strategy saw. It's not to come here and win.
Yeah.
It's to come here and get a point and go.
Yeah.
I understand.
Bazokubulala.
Bona bayaz ukuthi when they go to their place,
Ngara.
bazoyenza.
Ngara.
Bazo work nje ku plan A and plan B.
Injalo.
Yabona iSundowns wena Brasting ihlonipha ngani?
Ngani.
iSundowns into dangerous ngayo. iSundowns when you allow them to come to you, they will hurt you very badly.
Yes.
And also they are good in changing a game of play.
Yes.
They are very good.
Yes.
But today I guess bengakusilanga lapho.
Yes.
Yabona in football wena Brasti khona wena mfowethu in football khona into ekuthiwa khona i-lose, khona i-win, khona i-draw.
Yeah.
In football.
Yeah.
So iSundowns balosing.
Yeah.
And besibasupporta ezumzansi vele. Yabona. But mina I saw ukuthi ngeke babuye because of why they didn't score goals ekhaya.
Yes.
Because iPyramid akusiyi team onga relax amawudlala nayo.
Yeah.
They must ask abomakhelwane. You
Yeah.
understand? And a player that I was looking at ukuthi can punish Sundowns.
Yeah.
Umayela.
15.
I told my brother Umthongo ngathi labantu laba bayocisha umayela.
Yeah.
And Umayela did that today. Angibhula ngisisangoma uthami.
Yeah.
But I looked at that guy. That guy's got a big heart. And he's got a fighting spirit.
True.
Bekuba khona number 7 wakhona. Fighting spirit. You understand? So unfortunately to Sundowns, guys who were behind you in supporter ezumzansi. But in football khona into abayibiza ukuthi kune lose kune win. They must accept what happened and bangaqosha ucoach. The management must decide.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
But at a league, they must be grateful for that man.
For
Now
coming.
a soccer fan, umuntu uyambonga, awumdestroy.
Yes.
Uba winele i-league.
Yeah.
Bane-star. Aba accept ukuthi star banaso. What about us esingena star?
Hey ndoda.
Esibizwa ama-big team. Esingena star.
Hey ndoda.
You understand?
Hey ndoda.
So mina I'm proud of bona, I'm proud of iBhakania.
Yeah.
Because la eMzansi we have 2 teams that are having a star. Yibo neBhakania.
Pay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Eyethu that's why ngithe kuwe angifuni ukukhuluma ngeclub yethu. Kusesenzima. We have our problems, but we are dealing with them nice and slowly. We have Nedbank, we're going to play CAF, but I don't want to talk much about my team again.
Yeah.
Yabona. So to amasandawana bafowethu, angifuni nokwenza ama-jokes. Ngibe ngithi ama-t-shirt abhaliwe warawara, hey manje. No, angithi bebhalwe champion. But that's why ngithi, yeah, but that's why ngithi my brother, I don't want to tease them. Because yabona mina ngumuntu onjani mfowethu, ipain yomuntu ngiyayifeel. And I don't want to make a joke ngepain yomunye umuntu. Because bathi elifini, what happens komunye umuntu might happen to you.
Yeah.
Mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ireality. Indaba lezi zokuthi ukuhleka nje omunye umuntu ekwipain angikuthandi.
Ne-Chiefs ingaluza ku-final.
Yeah, you understand? We're going to play careful nathi manje. Umjita njengoba kubhlungu manje. Tomorrow kuphuma mina kwi-CAF early in the morning. Kuzoba bhlungu ngithi. He will be laughing at me. How I'm going to feel? I'm going to feel like him. But then umuntu makokwiphini angithandi mina ukumhleka. On my side, angazi abanye. On my side. To amasanda one. Nizamile bafethu ukulift iflag lethu eMzansi, and I'm still proud of them. Ne Pirates. I'll always be proud of them because they are doing well mfethu. They are representing us well. Ngiyababongela mfethu, the performance that they put in the game, no coach wakhona ukuthi angafaka uZwane, okay akamfakanga kuSharp, but mina if bengucoach I wouldn't leave such a good player mfethu elinjengozwane ebenchini. Kaphane ngidli uZwane khona. Ngicela ukuyivala, ngiyabonga mfethu.
Thank you Tavuyo, asibongile Tavuyo.